everyone! My channel Emily's Kitchen. Today I'll steam vegetables without water using the 9-inch skillet of Saladmaster. So we have broccoli, carrots, green peas, sorry, and corn. I'll use the 9-inch skillet of Saladmaster. First, I'll show you how to steam the vegetables. So as you can see, only one Saladmaster 9-inch skillet. I'll put 4 kinds of vegetables. So steam everything together. First, I'll put the broccoli. Next is the carrots. And the third one is the corn. And the last but not the least is the green peas. Then what I'm gonna do is I'll put salt in the middle. I'll put in here. So, ilagay lang mo lang yan dyan. And now, I'll put this one here. Same thing. We're gonna put into medium heat. Medium heat. Once the nutrition protector will click, we're gonna turn the heat into low. And it's about, after this one will click, we'll put the time 10 minutes. And ilan na natin? Ay, number 2. So another 5 minutes yet. So if you are interested to have this item, you can just message me on my YouTube channel, Emily's Kitchen, or you can visit in our office. 1, 2, 3. Look at the salt. Okay, so this is what happened. So the salt is become solid. So ito yung mangyari if you're gonna eat your food more on salt. The salt will become solid inside our body. So that's why we have the kidney stone. We have like all the kidney stone. We have some like disease that we can get every time you're gonna cook, putting lots of seasoning, especially salt. So yeah, this is what happened. So yun lang, ano natin. So steamed vegetables. See, cook. It's cook. See? No water.
Thumbs up ka. Oh, mag-thank you na.
Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you again next time. Bye. Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to put a comment. And yeah, see you. Thank you so much.